Hello, Chef here. Once again, I'm working with Saffron, and if you watch the other videos, you already know a few things about the saffron that I'm using. This is premium grade Spanish saffron, hand selected, perfect, tiny little pieces of the saffron crocus flower, and what you get in this container is 1 ounce by weight. Exactly, a small baggie with a little gift bow on there. Perfect Spanish saffron, every single grain. What's inside that tin is right here. This is the exact stuff. I'm going to actually have some of this. As you might know, it's good for your eyesight. So I'm going to consume some of this today and show you exactly what I'm doing. I like to start with a little bit of hot water, just a small amount, very small amount of hot water is all it takes, and the color gets released. I don't want to waste this. It's very, very expensive. This is enough for several servings of paella, or even for your vision, so it's too much. This is all I need to consume right here today for the effect I'm looking for. Helps your eyes, does other things, who knows. Maybe it'll help with cancer or tumors or digestion, all different things. I'm not sure. I get feedback from people, and I definitely know that this helps your eyes. Really good stuff. This is the highest quality that I've ever tasted, by the way. There's all kinds of imitation stuff out there throughout the world. Everyone's trying to scam people. This is the real deal right here. So just a few threads is all it takes, like this. I've got some hot water here now. I'm going to put a little bit of hot water right in this saffron. Just like this. That's all it takes right there. That releases the natural color. You can see it happening right before your eyes. That's the real deal right there. Pure Spanish saffron. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Notice every single thread is exactly that. It's the thread of the saffron flower. This is what you're looking for when you buy saffron. It's not only the color and the strength and the clarity, it's the smell. Oh, smells so good. Once again. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, now I've got my saffron. It's steeped long enough. Okay. All the flavors releasing right there. I've got a clean glass here. And I've got a special tea. This is actually a cinnamon ginger tea. Nice. Okay. Got about this much tea right here. Here we go. Take this saffron. Yeah, get it all in there. Don't want to miss any. Stuff's expensive. In it goes. By the way, this place right here, chefdepot.com/saffron.htm. That's where I get it right there. chefdepot.com/saffron.htm. That's the good stuff. So right there, I'm going to try it. Tastes good. My vision's improving. Cheers to your health. Don't forget to hit up the sponsor right there. Get the real deal, the good stuff. You're going to like it. Be sure to leave a comment. Tell them the chef sent you from YouTube. And ask for a free gift with your order. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. This is going to do a couple things. The first thing is it's going to protect and seal my butcher block. ChefDepot.com. 50,000 high quality chef tools, knives, butcher blocks, pots, pans, cutlery, you name it, in stock, fast shipping.